Good morning guys! Welcome to my channel! Yan, for today's video, kung ano-ano na lang. Kung ano-ano na lang ang aming mga ipapakita sa inyo. Yun ay ang aking mga daily gawain, daily life, kumbaga. Oh, diba? Hi guys, ano siya guys po? Ayan siya, si Ate Jilin.
Hi
ang
guys.
Aming bagong...
Good morning.
Bagong member.
Ang among bagong member ng
sexy kaya na siya.
Ay.
Asag isa. Nag-isa po, diri po na siya naka-duty. Mo na yung
Hi guys!
Practice lang. O, ganyan.
Hello, thank you guys.
Nag-thank you, wala pa nga.
For this video.
Maggala-gala muna ako dito sa palibot sa bahay, paikot habang wala pa yung mga dugis. Yeah, let's go guys. Punta muna siguro ako sa halamanan. Dagdagan ko ng lupa yung ibang paso. Mag-like and subscribe pala muna tayo sa playlist. Sa aming playlist. Balik ako guys ha. And laba-laba muna kami guys ng mga panty namin kasama si Inday. Hello, Day.
Nabakos kong panty guys. Kaya wala ko masulog guys.
Naubusan ng stock ng panty.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. turn